Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, what? A little colder outside than I care to get out there with today, so we're grilling inside on the Chefman indoor grill, guys. Broke it out. It's been a little while. It's about 3 years now, and I've had this. It's still going strong, showing some nicks and dings, but that's all right, guys. I'm doing a stuffed burger tonight. Got this guy from Grillaholics, and we're gonna try it out for the very first time. I've never made a stuffed burger like this, so should be interesting. Okay guys, I got some, there's actually 2 pounds of meat here. We got 2 half-pound balls here for our stuffed burgers. I'm gonna do some additional burgers. I'll do a regular press on these because I know that the little ones are not gonna want real fancy burgers. So we're just gonna press them out normal. But here we're going to start off here. And again, I've never done this. This is the first time I've used this. Take a little bit away from that half-pound burger. Go ahead and make our ball here, and we're gonna find out here. I'm getting the camera, hopefully getting that centered for you. And we're just gonna take our press here. We're gonna give her a press, see what happens here. It looks fairly simple. That's a lot of meat there. I'm gonna take this outer part off. We got the indent here. Make us an indent in there. For a little twist. Look at there. And for our stuffing, since it's my first one, I'm just going to do some cheese. This is some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm just going to mix in some, this is real bacon bits. Gonna fill this guy up. Should be enough. Now this is store-bought bacon bits. I did not make it myself, so be gentle, guys. Alright. According to the directions, we take this, just put it back in our press. We take this little leftover here, guys, and just kind of make us out a little patty. I probably could have left a little bit more there. Lay it over top. We'll see how we do right here. We'll press her down. Give her a little twist. That ain't the prettiest thing in the world. We'll do a second one here and see how we do. Got my server plate. Take her out. Alright guys. I could have probably sprayed that and done a little bit better job. Give it a final smash. I don't know. I'm sure you guys will do a better job than me. Turn this over, push her out. Alright, I have to work on that, guys. No, I'll have to work on that one. It's alright, you're gonna be some tasty burgers. That's all I can say. I'm not gonna bore you with smashing them. We're just gonna do them flat out. And I'll get right back to you when we get the grill going. As always, I'll add a little water to our pan. That's what makes it smokeless or smokeless. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. I got a few extra burgers here. Yeah, let me get a little bit more water. Just for safety reasons, notice I pulled the pan out a little bit so I don't get near those elements. The machine is not even plugged in at this point. I'll scoot this over. Alright, I'm gonna turn this puppy on. And I'm probably gonna do not quite high, but more medium high on the heat. Slowly scoot this over. And we're gonna let that heat up for about 5 minutes or so before we put our burgers on. Yeah, we're right about on the ends there. At 390. Dead center, we're over 400. That's part of it with these low electric grills. You get some uneven cooking. I think we're good enough we can get her going, get some burgers, even if we've got to move them around a little bit. Okay, let's go with these big boys. I don't know how many I can get on here is the thing. See if I can do that there. We'll get what we can. A little bit smaller ones there. We might be able to make this work. I don't want to move it now. Alright, we're going to go right here. Alright guys. You know, I got so carried away building this burger, I forgot to season them. Come on, just a little salt, pepper, garlic on these. I'll season the other side after we flip. Alright, let's see where we are here. I'll give these guys this big stuff on here. I'm afraid it's all going to come out. That looks good. Come up here. These little guys. A little bit of room. Now we're talking. Alright, we'll check back here in a bit. Alright guys, because these burgers are thicker than what I normally cook. That was pretty close. These here, they're so thick I'm going to have to do a little bit of turning and rotating. We got a little ways to go there. Alright, not a problem. Everything's looking good. We'll do some turning and rotating, wait till those guys are done. And we're gonna go ahead and just top these guys with some American cheese. Alright, let's get these guys off of here. I'll get my family fed. And we'll come back and build. Oops. Come back and build us a burger. Hey guys, I just got a standard white bun. Pardon my fine china we got going here. And I'm just gonna, little mayonnaise on the bottom bun. Come in here with this monster burger. A little ketchup. Little mustard, and I'll do a little dip there. Marvelous. Beautiful tomato right there. A slice of lettuce. Would you look at that, guys? Let's see what's going to be messy. I'm going to see if I can cut this in half for you. It's not going to go very well. Alright, I'll give you a picture of it anyway. A lot of it doesn't melt it out. Got a little medium rare, or I'm sorry, that's closer to a medium well is what I like. Alright guys, let's get a taste of that. Alright, let's get a bite of this mess. There guys. Oh, that is messy. It's messy, but it's good. Guys, thanks so much. I'm kind of rushing this. this video. I had a busy weekend watching football for the division titles. My Bengals are going to the Super Bowl. Who dey? We'll show that another day. But guys, thanks so much. Kind of wanted to do a stuffed burger. I've been wanting to do it for a little while. And turned out really good, very tasty. That sharp cheddar cheese and the bacon bits in there. Did what it's supposed to do. I obviously need a little work on the press thing, but we'll work on that and I'll get back to you. So guys, God bless you. Thank you as always. We will see you on the next cookbook. God bless. Bye-bye.